Hi, iVenture. My name is Rhea. I'm a junior studying brain and cognitive science with minors in business and informatics. And today I'm going to take you along with me in a day in my life on a Wednesday. So let's go into it. This is my roommate, Rita. We're both mentally prepping ourselves before our 9 a.m. Okay, so the weather says it feels like 15 degrees outside. So that means I have to bundle up. I have my coffee. I'm ready. I have my backpack. It's time to go to our 9 a.m., which is Info 102. Class is done. Now I'm walking to the bus stop so that I can go to the arc and get
Oh, maybe I shouldn't.
It's time to hit legs. Hey guys. So my friend decided to join me on leg day workout. What's your name?
Oh, I'm Ethan.
Hi, Ethan. Okay, just did leg day and now we're playing basketball for fun. So, ready? Ready? No shot. Hey guys, post gym, waiting for the bus. Feeling a little defeated after the workout, but we prevail nonetheless. Okay, I'm back now and it's time to shower, get ready, eat, and then go to class. So let me change in 3, 2, 1. Yay! I'm all ready. Now I just have to eat and then go to class. Lunch is leftover dinner from yesterday. Really yum. Going to my second class of the day. It's my neuroscience lab. Really exciting stuff. Finished with the second class and it's just fully snowing, like completely. Hey guys, so back in the apartment and I have class at 4, so I have about an hour and a half to kill. So I think I'm just gonna rest up a little bit, maybe do some homework. I have a test on Friday, so I'm gonna start studying for that. And yeah, I'll see you when I'm walking to class. Walking to my 102 lab right now. And it's just still snowing. Just finished lab. Now I'm walking over to the SIF to finish up some work, and COSAD workshop is today, so I'm going to wait until then. Hi guys, now we're at the COSAD workshop. This is Vivian and that's Sebastian. We're just gonna hear other people's pitches. We might pitch, might not pitch. Who knows? Okay.
Rather than the 7 days that is in the. Okay, so it's
Guys, we just pitched for COSAD workshop. We didn't really know that was coming. It was kind of a sneak attack, but we did it. Okay, now time to go eat and then get ready for Enactus social stage because it is Enactus recruitment week. Yay! Hey guys, so we're walking to social stage. I'm with Meg, and yeah, it was just snowing just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Skiing on the slopes.
Fit check. Can you guess what org we're part of? I bet you can. I bet you can. Hey guys, we're at social stage. We're really excited. Guys, I'm with Ella. iVenture crossover. We're gonna rank social stage on a scale of 1 to 5.
I think I'd give it a 4.9.
Okay.
For sure 5 because my group won.
Oh.
I would say a 4.375.
That's good. Hey guys, so walking back from social stage, and that is the end of my day. It was really long, but filled with lots of fun stuff. And yeah, I'm so glad you guys can come along with me. See you guys next time. Bye.